And I was recalling to Sharon this morning that I think a lot of this effort began several years ago, maybe at the conference table in my office, because Anita Baker of the EAC, I think it was Anita at the time, came to me to talk about budget. And we talked about healthcare costs and insurance costs and things that the employees would like to see. And while we were not able to address the health care premiums at that time, we did discuss wellness opportunities and making sure that our employees were healthy. This actually came as a result of some other conversations I had earlier with directors of some departments who were really concerned about the condition of their people who were out in the field and who were probably eating McDonald's burgers at lunchtime and not really getting the exercise, even though they were out in the field, not getting the kinds of exercise and eating the kinds of food they should have. And so we were able to get into the budget guidelines that year, some language about health and wellness, and look what it has wrought over the years.
Everyone can get and stay in shape by going to any one of the 9 recreation and fitness centers in the county. The centers have the latest exercise equipment, great workout classes, and the area's top aquatic pools. For more information, go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov for a center location near you.